What's up guys, Sean here, and I have a really cool unboxing to do with you guys. I believe this is 4 knives from one person that he sent in to me to all be sharpened. So I'm going to be sharpening these 4 knives, and 2 of them are in for review. So we're going to be able to look over all 4. I'll give you my first impressions, take a look at these edges, see how much work I'm going to be looking at, and yeah, I'm really excited to check these out. I don't want to spoil the surprise and tell you guys what knives are in this box, but I will show you what I'm carrying today. And first up, obviously, is my SPYDERCO Swish Buoy. Amazing knife, beautiful crown spine. I am really a sucker for a nice crown spine. This has contoured titanium scales. It's a titanium frame lock. No over travel stop, no lock bar insert, no bearings, no milled TI clip, no anything extra. None of that extra fancy stuff, yet this knife still functions absolutely flawlessly. Very, very smooth for phosphor bronze washers. Beautiful, beautiful knife. And then I'm not carrying this one today, but it was sitting on my desk and it just looks so damn pretty. And this is a SPYDERCO Paramilitary 2, rocking Metin Boss titanium reptilian engraved scales with a matching reptilian engraved milled TI clip. Has a rock scale design, backspacer slash lanyard tube because they are integrated into one piece. Very nice and functional. And then we have some green anodized titanium screws done by my buddy Angelo. Really nice action on this one. And this has some polished washers. I did a video on this actually when I polished these. I believe the video is titled How to Improve the Action on Your SPYDERCO Knives, and this knife should be in the thumbnail. So if you want to see how to get your knife as smooth as this, go check that video out. And then for what's in my pocket, I also have my Microtech Ultratech. This one has the Tanto blade. Cool little knife. Well, not so little. It's about almost 3.5-inch blade. I think, well, 3.25. But just put this sexy blue anodized titanium hardware on this one, and yeah, badass. And then last but not least, you guys have seen this many times, my Arctic Storm Smoky Mountain Knife Works exclusive. Absolutely beautiful. And this one is rocking a 17 degrees per side KME edge done by yours truly. And yeah. So, let's crack into this and see what we're working with. Alright guys, so let's take a look and see what we have in here. Alright. There is 4 knives stuffed in here. So I gotta be really careful that I don't stab into anything. So I don't want to damage any of the contents. Alright, let's see. What do we have here? Alright. That's cool. I think this is well, it's obviously a WIHA. Snexy? I don't know how the hell to pronounce that or what it's supposed to say. Very smooth. I like that. Cool, cool. Oh snap, check that out. That is a sexy looking Protect Strider. Little underwhelming on the deployment. Thought it would be a little bit more snappy. Not bad though. Feels great in hand. Gotta love the feel of a Strider handle. 154 cm blade steel. Cool, cool. And I think the badass knives are in this one. Oh snap. Guys, you know what this is? Sharp by Design Mini Evo Typhoon. Wow. Oh. Oh baby. That's really nice knife. Feels really good in hand. Has a neat sound to it. Very smooth. Oh nice. Nice and solid. Ooh, what is that? Is that like some dark matter carbon fiber? Wow, that is beautiful. Oh snap, that is pretty sick. Pretty neat. My first time holding or handling a penna. Haha, that's fucking awesome. That is good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Man, my lighting is really bothering me right now. Alright guys, sorry about that. I adjusted my setup around a little bit. Hopefully the lighting is a little bit better now. Look at this. I don't know if it's because I don't have a lot of smaller knives that it's appealing to me or what, but it just feels like it's nice, well made. Just feels like it's a quality knife. And it has that classic traditional vibe to it, mixed together with some new school vibes. Has some of that new school luxury to it, like, you know, frame lock. Has a flipper. It's on bearings. Look at this blade grind. Awesome looking reverse tanto. This one right here, that's the showstopper. Yeah, this one wins. This is a badass knife right here. Absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna have to hook this one up with a nasty freaking edge. Damn, damn, damn. Oh my god. Oh, I gotta have it. I fucking need it. You see that? Oh my god. No fucking way. Oh man. Oh my god. That's so satisfying. Alright, no go for the thumb flick, but we have the front flip actually is quite satisfying. I'm not a fan of front flippers, but that is a good, it's a legitimate action. Blade flies out, has a good sound, but the reverse flick is surprisingly very easy with this. That's just an amazing, beautiful knife. I'll do a review going into further detail on this, but I wanted to make just a short little video showing you guys a little bit of each of these, and yeah, maybe if you guys are lucky, you'll see some footage of me sharpening them. So, hope everyone's having a great day. Happy Monday. I love you guys. Jesus loves you. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.